Hello. Hello stream. We are back. Welcome Tech Friend Live, episode 6. It's good to be back. I'm gonna start things off with my VS Code. It is my ID of choice. Can I move myself around? Oh, sick, I can. And right here, you will see my init.vim file. Init.vim. So an extension that I'm using is this one. I'm using VS Code NEOVIM. I'll make this bigger. Ooh, there we go. Can you see that? Let me make myself smaller. Move my bed out of this. Normally I don't have my bed in the frame. Hold up. Oh, it's because I'm off to the side like this. True. Alright, there. Here. VS Code NEOVIM. Pretty much Vim is like this way you use the keyboard pretty much essentially. It's designed so that you use just the keyboard and you like move your hands as little as possible from the home row, which is like the ones where you feel the little bumps on J and F. So up and down is like K and J. Left and right is H and L, and that's all on the home row. And then with a bunch of other actions and stuff, you can like jump around exactly where you want really fast. It's another reason that I have relative numbers on here at the left, so it doesn't show every line number like it would if you're at the top. This is how normal VS Code would look. It's whoops. You'd start at the top and you go all the way down to your bottom line 36. But with mine, I have it relative, so I can jump to the next relative line really easily. So 15J would be down 15 times, and I'm on row 16. If I want to go up to the line where it says leader P, 11K. And then I'm just there in like 3 short clicks, compared to like moving my hand off the keyboard onto a mouse or a trackpad if I'm on the train or something, you know, and moving your mouse would take longer. That's the theory anyway. People are notorious for like accidentally getting in Vim and never having used it before, and they can't quit. They're like pressing escape. They're like, whoa, what do I do? If you're ever in that, if you're using like Linux or Unix, you go Command Q, and that quits the file you're in. Anyway, this file that I have is called init.vim. Sorry. And in normal Vim, you have what's called a vimrc, which has all your configurations, your vim.rc file. But in NeoVim, we use init.vim, and you can map a whole, like anything you want, you can program here to do like shortcut snippets. VS Code has its own snippets, but there's some cool things you can do here that you can't do in snippets, such as like toggling the minimap. I have that as leader M. So you see here the minimap. It's not too obvious on this file, but comes and goes for minimalistic sake. I have a lot of shortcuts like that, like closing the sidebar here, leader S, and even removing the action bar, I have Alt A. So it's like completely just the code now. Yeah, leader. So I've mapped in Vim. We have this thing called a leader, which is like a common key you use. I have mine mapped to space because that's where like both of my thumbs are, so it's super easy to get to. They're pretty much always on space. No matter what hand configuration I'm in, I can press space really easily. It's like the biggest key on the keyboard as well. So it's like, yeah, I think it's a pretty good decision for a leader key. And then I have a whole bunch of mappings to make it easier. Split screen, toggle between screen, move a line, you know, copy a line. Like a lot of shit is stock Vim, but these particular ones are VS Code specific. Yeah. Should I explain any of them? I might as well explain some. Oh, I have a comment here from Taiyang. Sorry, I only just saw this 3 minutes late. He asked, can you use Emacs? Yeah, you definitely probably could use Emacs. I don't use Emacs, but A lot of people like Emacs. I actually met this software engineer, Nick Donaldson, who inspired me to use Vim. I met him the other day in San Francisco. Well, not the other day, maybe like 4 months ago. And he uses Emacs now. And I'm like, what? He switched to the dark side. Yeah, they have so many Emacs stuff as well. I really like the VS Code extensions. But it doesn't integrate with Vim as well as I wanted it to. So I use this thing, I think it's called OmniVim. Yeah, OmniVim. I paid the Patreon for this. They're trying to make it like more Vim based, if that makes sense. But it still has extensions like VS Code. But I think they stopped developing it or something. I don't know what happened. All right, what's next on the agenda here? Overriding JavaScript variables. So you see here, I made this really basic HTML file. 7 lines, 6 lines, 7 lines, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Okay, yeah, 7 lines. Relative numbers trip me out here because you have 2 line ones. Yeah, really easy, simple file on my desktop called untitled1 HTML. Let's open it. Boom. Now, let me make this smaller. Actually, yeah, so that's what it does. So it sets a variable called variable name. I'm going to call it variable name AJ just to make it obvious. And it gets this div called test by the ID, which I've set on line 2, and changes the inner HTML to whatever's in this variable name. Now, someone asked on like my popular TikTok, like what you could do with like debugger points in the inspector. So you can actually set a breakpoint here. This is a really basic example. And when you refresh it, it will stop executing the code from here. You see variable name AJ is undefined because it hasn't executed this line yet. And you can step through it and see at the next step, the line here, it's renamed it to original text, which is what we've set in line 4. We can actually overwrite that here to whatever we want. So I've just wrote rect, and if I execute that and then continue the debugger, it will, inject some JavaScript. This isn't very useful in a real life situation, but I hope it shows you how to use it as a tool. This example isn't useful, but that method could be used usefully. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, I wanted to show that. I have some other stuff I wanted to show. Oh yes, someone asked about Stack Overflow, and that got me thinking. Let me try to bring up the video. What is it? This one. It's actually useful to inspect websites and JavaScript, and that's what here. I swear the day Stack Overflow goes down, we dying. Pray that never happens. Can you see that? Yeah, right here. So I was like, shit. What would happen? Surely it's backed up somewhere, right? So I googled where it's been backed up, and archive.org downloads /stack exchange. You can see all the different ones And Stack Overflow is there as well. Use Control Effort. It's Meta ES, I think that might be Spanish, JA Japanese. And I think you can find, yeah, just stackoverflow.com. And you can see all the comments. It's 5 gigabytes. Last updated 15th of June 2022. And all the posts. So I went ahead and downloaded them. It was a pretty slow download, but it got there eventually. Let's open them up here. Sorry, I need to take a drink as well. My mouth is real dry. Just doxing my whole downloads. Dangerous. How do I open these in a... Alright, I'll just double click it. Let's open posts. Posts.xml. So yeah, it comes in one XML file. It's 96 gigabytes. Which one is this post? So 2 gigabytes bigger than the zip file. Now, in that video, what was the name of the title of the Stack Overflow post? Let's see if we can find it. Here it is. How do I stop the debugger in Chrome DevTools? And it's over a year ago, so it should be there since July 2022. Okay, 96 gigabyte XML file. I don't even know if I have room for that. Let's see. I have 80 gigabytes, so no. I'm gonna have to free up some space. Or, yeah. I wonder if I can, I don't even know, like, once I have that file, can I even, like, open it? Can I search it if I open it? Alright, let me see if I can find the 18 gigabyte file. Wait, what? 96? Oh, okay, that's a lot bigger. What am I saying? 2 gigabytes bigger. It's like almost 10 times bigger than the zip file. I'm just trying to find something to delete here. Give me a sec, I'll play some music. Gigabytes, bro, that's a lot. I am finding some stuff. 2 gigabytes down. Oh my god. I hate how Windows organizes this. Where else would I have a lot of... Yes, I found a 12 gigabyte folder. Alright, refresh. 96. Oh, let me just do a couple more gigs to be safe. Let me see. What files can I delete? I'll be looking through my files, trying to find some to delete. Let me check the chat for a second. No one commented since the OG. Alright. Trying to find some more files to delete. In your mind you look weak, but it's out of mind all the times I was speaking. I'm out of line and then here we go. Yo. Said yo to my mom. That's gangster. Alright, 98. Let's do it. I'm gonna put it on my desktop. Might take a while actually. 24 minutes. Okay, well, we'll leave this to do its thing while we move on to the next thing. Oh yeah, we have some fan art. I was trying to not expose that before, but let me open a folder and then And then we can show it. Yeah, here. Oh shit. Here, Island Man fan art. It's pretty hyper realistic. Way better definition than the actual cube space Island Man. Let's have a comparison. Oh, actually, that's pretty accurate. Yeah. Yeah, I am. What's up? Just my mom poking in. Anyway. Pretty accurate. Next one. How do you go next? We're doing the fan art reveal here. This one. Alright, I don't know how accurate this is. The shorts are a different color. He's wearing sunglasses. He is on an island though. This one is a different t-shirt. This one, he's got 4 legs that split into 2. No, yeah, 4 legs. 3, those could be toes. These are all generated with stable diffusion. The only one to submit fan art for Alpha Island. This one's pretty cool. This one looks like it's from Tekken. I think it's the most accurate as well. What else is good? This one's pretty good too. It's like he's attacking the tree. I try to get some from the female and the giant, or the maybe not female, but the giant and the native island. This one's sick. That's pretty cool too. Let's see how this is going. 27 minutes now since I've loaded that. Yeah. Oh yeah, and then here, can I load this? Let's see. No, I can't. Shit, sorry. This dude Triply has said that we could get around those breakpoints by right-clicking the line number and saying never pause here, and then hold down on the unpause button and click play. And I think I tried that and it worked, so check this out. Here on the 3, never pause here. And you just get through. Thanks, Triply. Yo, I'ma be right back. Just check on one thing. Yo, Pog, dude. Hip ACT, thank you for coming in the chat. You made me realize that I haven't been recording my audio this whole time. So, we're going to start from the start with this app I'm working on. Boom. You tell them your job. Swipe through. Finish. And something else. So you're adding things to a toolkit. And I'm up to this step here. Step 5, where you submit the data. And that's what I'm gonna be working on now. Thank you, Hip ACT. MVP. MVP is Hip ACT. Alright. So what I want to do is actually be able to save. I need to Google Italio. What the hell? I don't know why I did that. It's because I never go on google.com. I always search in the bar. What am I searching here? I need to do like a private session. No, how do you do it? Guest session here. Guest. Yeah. That way you don't see all my shit. Oh, right. Learn it. The next step? Yeah, dude, I'm getting there. I'm searching here. How to save. Wait, no. JavaScript save to Google Sheet. And then I found this thing. I don't know if I saved it. 2016. Here. Because I want to avoid having a server and just send it from client, which is unsafe, but anyway, we'll get to that later. DuckDuckGo. Yeah, for privacy searching. But for this, like using guests, it just makes like all my bookmarks and stuff not appear, which is what I wanted. Yeah, alright, so this guy linked this. No, I don't want to use script editor. Oh. Okay. Let me think about this. There has to be a solution, bro. I don't want to make my own database. No, I refuse. I refuse to not use Google Sheets. That's what I want to use. I don't know how to Google this properly, but I swear I've done it before. I don't know why I didn't use a Firebase. Okay. No. Hey, JS add row to DB. Wait, did I? No, I didn't. Add row to Google Sheet. Spreadsheet app. Dude, we just need the npm package. Add a row. That's what I want. Add spreadsheet. Google spreadsheet. Private key. For what? You can make keys, so it's okay. Just make a key for the project. And you can check the usage, I guess. I mean, that is a downside. You should probably not be using Google Sheets for your database. So maybe I should just give up on that. What else would you use? An actual database? See, the thing is, like, I don't want to make a front end. That should already be solved. How did... This is the dumbest shit. How do I not know what to search for? Backend, isn't that just AWS? Yeah, but... Oh, you can give access to your database. It's so clunky though. Like the DynamoDB viewer. Or a MySQL viewer. Like for a client. You could export the database into a Google Sheet. Yeah. Server side. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do it with a Lambda on the server side. So, is this a requires? Yeah, dude, this is pretty much it. That way we don't expose a private key anyway. So we're gonna use this sst.net thing that I've been .dev, sorry, that I've been meaning to use forever. Let's go, get started. Let's see how long this will take. Can I beat the download? I mean the extract. 10 minutes. Yarn create. Let's go. Alright, so we are going to do some big changes here with this code base. Whoa, what did I press? Open. I want to open this in Explorer. Here we go. Boom. Boom. New folder. Front end. And I think I'm going to keep git. Oh, why won't it? Oh no, this is competing now. This is open in another program. Try again. Nice. Alright. Back to this. It's alright. New folder. Right here. Wait, what? No. Not this folder. This folder. Okay. No, did I go front end? Surely not. Surely not, no. Yeah, it should just have a front end. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Alright, now new folder. Backend. Nah. Dude, NEOVIM fucks with my like actual VS Code UI. So annoying. So there's like a lot of things I have to do. Just like through Windows. Pain in the ass. Anyway, I could have done it through terminal as well. And now my terminal's not working. Super sick. So I have another terminal app. CD. Programming. Brandon. Toolkit. Backend. Yarn add. Ah, it's not yarn adding. Sorry, yarn create. My SST app. No, not my SST app. Why is it called my SST app? I don't want that. Because I just blindly copy and paste it. Oh, GraphQL. What are the examples? What do I call it? Toolkit backend. Alright. Examples. Not minimal. How do I go back? WebSocket. Oh, dude, this is sick. React app. Oh man, it has so many examples. You can just set up an auth thing, a Facebook auth thing. This sst.dev is sick. Wow. I'm really impressed by the amount of examples you can just create. Anyway, I'm gonna just go minimal. Minimal JavaScript. Yes. People are gonna hate me because I'm not using TypeScript, but you know, I'm badass like that. Next step, cd toolkit npm install. Yeah, coding on Windows is just not as nice as Mac. Well, when you don't have it configured super well. Mine's configured kind of okay. npm is so slow as well. I've heard really good things about Bun sh. It's like 20 times faster than npm or something for like npm install. See? Replace yarn with Bun and get 20 times faster package installs. I should have done that. Okay, well that's done. Now we can go yarn. Oh, let's see if Bun works. I don't think I have it installed. Oh, it's like you can't install it on Windows or some shit, I bet. Is that right? Oh, let me double check if that's true. I feel like it was. Oh no, Windows subsystem for Linux. So not even actual Windows. See? Bullshit, man. It started. Is that it? Initial deploy can take 5 to 10 minutes. You'll be prompted to enter default stage name. This stage name will be stored locally. Looks like you're running SSC for the first time. Please enter a stage name. Okay. You'd like to use local. Dev. How long have I been streaming for? Who knows? Who knows? 30 minutes. Can play some music well. This does its thing. Could take 5 to 10 minutes. Not long enough. Oh, Hip, you're still watching, dude. Thanks for watching. I thought you'd be bored by now. It's not the most intense stream. Too kind, Hip, too kind. What should I do? Waiting on multiple things to complete. Let's do a monkey type, monkeytype.com. Like, where you from? Hip ACT. Oh, sorry, how's it pronounced? HIP? I'm not sure. If you could clarify, then maybe I can continue to say hip. Damn. The truth. Alright, the truth. The truth ACT. Oh, it's more the meaning rather than the pronunciation, right? Got it. Oh, we're getting close. See that? That's a good thing, probably. Look at all this green. No red. When you see that, is good. Not that red is a bad color, it's just in programming. I guess. Alright, what do we do after it's deployed? That's a great question. Oh, you gotta deploy it? Hey, what do you mean? I thought that's what it said it was doing. So what am I even doing? What? We're gonna find out. I'm pretty sure this whole thing is only deployed. Like you deploy a dev and then you can like deploy a prod or some shit. You know, I didn't really like read for hours about it, but it seems pretty good. I'm liking it so far. 10-minute deployment's not too bad. Oh, this is close. This is 7 seconds. Excellent. We're about to see. Oh, shiver me timbers. Where did I even put it? Oh, I can't remember. Desktop? Surely. No? What was it? Post.xml. Where? Oh my god. Standby. Where would I have put in? Just in downloads, surely. No. I'm gonna have to watch the stream back. Cannot believe this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to search my whole computer. Posts.xml. I'm searching my whole computer for posts.xml. Cause I don't know where it went. Desktop? This is posting me to desktop. Oh, deployed. Sick. Deploying some other stuff now. Okay. Go on then. Go on then. Yeah, I would have thought desktop or downloads, but it's... Oh, it is in desktop. Okay. I'm not crazy. Just missed it. Alright, let's see if this even opens. Moment of truth. We'll stop the music to make it more dramatic. Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh no, all of these guys. Why are they still here? Where did that open with though? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just gonna double click it again. There it is. Whoop. Whoop. File is not. Yes. File is not displayed in the editor because it's binary or uses open anyway. Text editor. Didn't work. Text editor. It still didn't work. Configure text. Oh, it's working. Shit. Is it working? No. Alright, let's try Notepad. That should be the most optimized. It's too large for Notepad. Oh, dude, I knew it. No way any of these files can open a 96 gigabyte file. Like, you need to stream that shit. How do you do that? Can you like halve it? Vim. Oh. Well, would you look at that? I don't see Emacs. Oh, no, I do. Okay. CD desktop. Whoa, that key doesn't work. What the hell? I don't know if I can CD to desktop. Can you CD up? More? More? What do you mean more? I don't get it. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh my god. Where is desktop? Is it in documents? Holy shit, where is it? Oh, users. Default. Is that it? No. AJ desktop. There we go. Vim post. Oh shit. It's maybe doing something. Maybe. It's made a swap file. It's 4 kilobytes. But it hasn't really rendered anything. Debug session started. Listening for requests. Oh. Console.sst dev local. What? How does that work? So it's local, but it's hosted on their domain? That's really cool. Let's see what happens when we go there. Sorry, I'm doing like 2 things at once, so might not make sense if you're only catching up to one. So I'm in this SST file, I'm doing a backend for an app, and in this Vim file, I'm trying to load all the posts on Stack Overflow up till 2022 June, but like nothing seems to actually be able to open it. Are we crashed, dude. See all this red? Remember I said red was bad? Are we even back? Shit, man. Shit went crazy trying to open this file. There's 100 gigabyte posts of Stack Overflow. Not even Vim in this Commander app could handle it. I might have to move it and see if my... Dude, I want to see if an M2 laptop can handle it. That would be a good test, to go into like an app store with it on my hard drive and be like, just try to open it with Vim. I might be able to... I don't know. I don't know if my normal... I got an i9 MacBook? No, surely not. i7. 2020, I think. I just want to check that my stream is back up. Sorry, it just crashed the streaming software for some reason. And, yeah. Alright, well, while that loads. API endpoint. Oh, so it has deployed something on AWS. Can I ping a get? Here we go. Sweet. And it sees that I've got a get. So I'm running this session locally. And I can ping a get. And it sends back a hello world. Nice. Bro, my restream is just bugged out. It won't load. So I'm not sure if I'm even streaming or not. Yeah, I might just cut it there then. Alright, I'm gonna cut it there. We'll revisit later today or tonight. Apologies for the cut, but that Stack Overflow file beat me